What's the deal? It's Randall. You already know where we at. We're here at Mod FX. I got my Jeep under the knife, getting a little bit of work done to it. It's Friday, one of the first weeks in January. So check it out real quick. As you can see, it's blue. You know, my favorite color is blue. All the whips gotta be the same color. Got a cool little wrap on here. Tail lights tinted. You know, we got a few mods. You know, a nice little build that put some work in. What I'm doing right now, I'm putting the airlift suspension in here. So you have the airlift 3P air management setup. Got a couple of air tanks in there. You know, got the big boy Viair 485 compressors. And as you can see, we got the inside all ripped out. We're going with a spare tire wheel setup, so it'll be nice and flush. I can still haul when I want to haul. And then if I want to be a cool guy, I swap my floor out, put my new floor in, and I can show off the air suspension. So this is a little project that I've had for a while. You know, been doing some stuff to the Hellcat, but I'm gonna pick back up with this one as well this year. You know, we got a few more things to do, so it's sitting on 22s already. You know, I'm gonna change the caliper colors. You know, mile list a mile long, just like pretty much every car, but you know, you'll see more of this vehicle as well. I'm gonna get to it. So other than that, that's pretty much it. So I'll just give you a quick little sneak peek into the trunk. As you can see, here go the Viair compressors. It's 485. So they pump up to about 200 PSI or so. And you have the seamless air tanks painted gloss black. Nothing too special, you know, it's just a regular interior of an SRT. You got the moon roofs up top. Other than that, we'll get back to it. I'll show you some bags real quick. These are the bags that are on the vehicle. So as you can see, you have this blue part right here is a powder coated bracket. It's gonna be holding my airbag. Got the bag tucked down in there. You know, you got the airline. These are gonna be 3/8 DOT airlines or air hoses that are gonna be strung all up under the car. Now we're at the front of the vehicle. As you can see, you have the bag in there as well. They're going to be sitting on top of the factory struts, so it is going to retain the adaptive suspension modes. You know, you got track mode, towing, snow modes, all those good modes that you use with the Jeep SRTs. Just a quick little walk around of my Jeep SRT, and like I said, we got more to come, so y'all stay tuned.